Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export your Telegram data. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Telegram application and then you're going to go to the Telegram setting. On the PC, you can click on these three lines first and then you're going to select a setting. Okay, and then you're going to go to the advanced menu or advanced settings. And then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and then you will find this export Telegram data option. Okay, and you can choose the data that you want to export. For example, if you want to export your personal chat only, you can just select the personal chats like this. And wait, I'm not gonna include the photos. Okay, and then for the location and format, you can choose it right here. Okay, you can choose the download path and then the format. I'm just going to choose this human readable HTML. And then once you're ready to export it, you can click on export. Okay, and then just hold on. And you can close the window. And then you can be back to the Telegram if the exported process has completed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to export data from Telegram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.